Okay, let's test your knowledge. What do you know about the new Excel function? Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. Now, when most people hear about new Excel features, they immediately start Googling, should I be worried? And to those people, I always say, don't sweat it, Excel isn't going anywhere. It's not going to disappear like Visio did. But there are a few new updates that you should know about because they actually make Excel better. One of them is a function called text split, and it's like Excel gave us a brand new superpower. I mean, look at this. What used to take formulas nested inside other formulas and a lot of head scratching now takes just one simple formula. Seriously, it's that powerful. But before we get into how it works, let me explain why this is such a big deal. A few months ago, I had a situation where I needed to combine data from different sources, but it was a mess. I ended up with one long string of text that included numbers, spaces, and other characters, and I needed to split it into separate cells based on certain criteria. Now normally, you could try to use the text to columns feature, but it can be tricky. You might end up with errors or inconsistent results. Or you could use VBA, but come on, who wants to write macros when there's an easier way? That's where text split comes in. It takes your text and splits it into separate values based on a delimiter like a space or a comma. Then it returns an array of the results. And here's the best part, it's dynamic, whatever your delimiter is. You can change it up and the results update automatically. No more hard coding. This function has been a lifesaver for me, especially since it's so easy to use. All you need is one function and you're good to go. You can even use it with other functions like VSTACK to stack multiple arrays vertically, or Lambda to create reusable custom functions without having to write any code. It's amazing how many things you can do with just a few simple functions. When I first discovered this, I felt like I was cheating. It's like having a personal Excel coach that's always there to help. And the best part, it's available in Excel for Office 365 and it's free. You don't have to pay extra to access it. So if you haven't already, go ahead and update Excel and give it a try. You can also check out the other functions like VSTACK, LET, and Lambda. They're equally amazing. So if you want to learn more about them, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know which function is your favorite or if you have any tips or tricks of your own to share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.